Hi guys, welcome to my channel Zedigo World TV. In today's video, we will be looking at how you can get your free 1 million tokens on Hamster Kombat by inputting the right daily cipher Morse code for today, Wednesday, the 12th of June 2024. Now, let's dive right into it. You start by switching from the normal mode to the cipher mode. And to do this, you enter the game and tap on the N per tab button, which is at the upper left side of your screen. You tap on this button 3 times. Once you do this, you see Daily Cipher written on your screen. Next, you begin to enter the code, your Morse code, by tapping on the hamster. Our first letter today is S, 3 dots, dot, 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 followed by A, 1 dot, 1 dash, dot, dash. Next is T, 1 dash, dash. Next is O, 3 dashes, dash, dash, dash. Next is S, 3 dots, dot, dot, dot. Next is H, 4 dots, dot, 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 dot. And the last letter is I, 2 dots, dot, dot. And the word is Satoshi. Yay! We cracked the code and now we take the price of our 1 million coins. And that's it. So you go ahead, input the right codes, and get your coins rolling. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in my next video. Bye.